Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss how to edit your AI Magic ads and your AdScale custom budget groups. So when you've created an AI Magic budget group, you can click on the budget group and see your ads here in the list. Simply click the Edit button that appears when you hover your mouse over the ads, or click on the Ad Preview window. You can go into the products and edit them, removing any images you don't want to show in your ads. Click Update Products, and you can do the same for the copy. You can edit the copy as you like, and you can even get different AI copy ideas using our AI copy generator. You can edit your description and headlines here as well. Don't forget to click Save. Once you click Save, any changes will be synced live in Meta or Google within 20 minutes to an hour. For the custom budget groups, you can do the same thing. Click into the budget group, go to any ad that you want to edit, click the Edit button, and edit it the same way. It looks a bit different than the AI Magic group because it's much more customizable in a custom budget group. You simply deselect any products you don't want to show, edit the copy in the same way, and that's it. Click Save, and you've edited your AI Magic and custom budget groups with ease. This is how you can edit your ads in AdScale. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.